In a previous video, What is AI and how does it work? From our AI for Beginners series, we introduced the basics of traditional and generative AI. Traditional AI helps with specific everyday tasks, like setting reminders or recommending shows. Today, we'll review some of those practical uses of traditional AI and expand into how generative AI that can create content like text, images, or even music, can further simplify and enhance your daily routine. Traditional AI is all around us, working behind the scenes to simplify everyday tasks. You may already be using traditional AI without even realizing it. This type of AI is designed to handle specific, predictable tasks, learning from data to make things faster and easier. For example, when you ask Siri or Alexa to set a reminder, or when Netflix suggests a show based on your viewing history, that's traditional AI in action. Let's look at some practical ways traditional AI helps with tasks at home. 1. Setting reminders and alerts. AI assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant make it easy to set reminders for important tasks. Whether that's a work deadline or remembering to water the plants, just say, "Remind me to call Mom at 6 p.m., and your assistant has it covered. 2. Personalized recommendations. From Netflix to Spotify, AI algorithms learn your preferences and recommend content that matches your taste. This helps cut down on time spent searching and gives you suggestions that are tailored just for you. 3. Language translation and learning. With AI-powered tools like Google Translate, you can instantly translate text or spoken language, making travel and communication easier. Type in or say a phrase, and the AI translates it on the spot. Great for navigating a new language or place. 4. Smart home automation. AI-enabled devices like smart thermostats, lights, and security systems allow you to automate home tasks. For example, a smart thermostat learns your temperature preferences and automatically adjusts, helping you save energy. Generative AI is one of the most talked about advancements in technology, appearing everywhere in the news and social media. But for many, it may still feel like a complicated or overwhelming tool. Unlike traditional AI, which handles specific tasks like reminders or recommendations, generative AI is designed to create new content, like text, images, or even music, based on your input. It's a powerful tool, and while it may seem complex, it's actually quite accessible and can be incredibly helpful in your daily life. Let's explore some practical ways you can use generative AI to create social media content, write emails, generate images, and even come up with recipes, so you can see just how easy and valuable it can be. 5. Content creation for social media. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT can help create captions, posts, or ideas for your social media. Just provide a brief topic and it can generate text tailored to your needs. This is helpful for content creators or anyone who wants quick, creative ideas. 6. Writing assistance for emails and documents. Whether you're drafting an email or creating a document, generative AI tools can save you time by drafting, editing, or even fully writing based on prompts. For instance, you could say, "Write a follow-up email for a recent meeting," and it will create a professional draft. 7. Creative image generation. Generative AI like DALL-E or Midjourney allows you to create unique images by simply describing what you want. Say you need an illustration for a presentation. You can type a description, and AI will create a custom image for you, making creative tasks accessible even if you don't have design skills. 8. Recipe ideas based on available ingredients. Imagine asking, "What can I cook with pasta, tomatoes, and cheese?" Generative AI can suggest complete recipes based on the ingredients you have, turning meal planning into a quick, enjoyable task. 9. Music and sound generation. For those in need of background music for projects or relaxation, generative AI can create custom music tracks based on your desired style or mood. Tools like Amper Music let you pick a genre, and it generates a unique track tailored for you. 10. Study aids and summaries. Generative AI can help students by generating summaries of long articles or explaining complex topics in simpler terms. Type in a topic you're studying, and AI can break down key points, making study sessions more efficient. AI is not only about simplifying daily tasks, it's also about unlocking new creative possibilities. With both traditional AI and generative AI at your fingertips, there are countless ways to enhance your productivity, creativity, and learning experiences. If this video gave you some new ideas on how to use AI, don't forget to hit like and follow for more content on tech and AI tips. Thanks for watching.